What up, guys? Welcome back. Just got the Sena SMH10s. Got a pair of them. So, everyone that subscribes that just likes to watch my Raptor videos, when I do end up going riding again, things are going to be a whole lot interesting. What these allow you to do is actually talk from helmet to helmet, and they can link up to 4 different people. So, I'm going to unbox these real quick, see what we got inside, and see you when we get back. Alright, this is what you get when you open up the box here. This is the dual set. So here is the Sena itself, if I can get it out of here. That's pretty cool. It clips on. It's got its own battery right here. And speakers for inside the helmet. Kit was $300 on Amazon. There's the microphones right there. There's one there, one there. Basically just an intercom system for you and your buddies, so you can, when you guys ride, you can talk. But what's really cool about it is you can actually record the audio. So while I do the GoPro, I can also simultaneously do another video and get the audio, actually both of our audios, all synced up. If you guys ever watch Fooligan or all those guys at Moto Vlog or whatever, they all got these. So I've yet to test them out. It's still pretty cold out today, but that's the Sena 10s, guys. Comes with like an installation disc and something else underneath. We don't need to get into all that though. Nothing really important, but yep, there they are. So the Raptor video is going to get a hell of a lot more interesting. So stay tuned. See you guys.